If you want to know how to exit full screen in AnyDesk or turn full screen mode on and off, this video will walk you through it step by step. Full screen can make remote access feel smoother and give you more space to work, but sometimes you may want to switch back to a window so you can move around your desktop more easily. In this tutorial, I'll show you both ways, how to set full screen as the default for new sessions and how to change full screen mode during an active connection. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the AnyDesk application on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner and click the menu icon. From there, select Settings. This will open the main settings panel where you can adjust how AnyDesk behaves for your remote sessions. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Display. This is where AnyDesk keeps its screen and view options. Scroll down until you find the View Mode section. Here you should see the option that says Start New Session in Full Screen Mode. If you want AnyDesk to always open future sessions in full screen, check this box. If you prefer your sessions to open in a normal window instead, simply uncheck it. This setting only affects new connections, so the next time you start a session, it will follow the option you selected. That's the first method, and it's useful if you want to set your preferred default behavior once and keep it that way. But what if you're already connected and you just want to exit full screen right now? That's where the second method comes in. To turn full screen on or off during an active session, start your remote connection as usual. Once you are inside the AnyDesk session, move your mouse to the top edge of the window. After a moment, the Session Toolbar should appear. This toolbar gives you quick access to the most important controls while you're connected remotely. Next, click the display icon, which usually looks like a monitor symbol. This opens the display settings menu for your current session. In the view mode area, you'll see the full screen option. If full screen is selected and you want to exit it, just deselect it or switch back to windowed mode. If you are currently in a window and want to expand it, select full screen instead. The change happens immediately and you do not need to disconnect from the remote computer. This is what makes AnyDesk so convenient. You can switch between full screen and windowed mode anytime while staying connected, which is perfect if you need more flexibility while working remotely. Whether you're troubleshooting, accessing files, or helping someone else with their computer, it's easy to adjust the view to match what you need. So to quickly recap, if you want to change the default behavior, go into AnyDesk settings, open display, and adjust Start New Session in full screen mode. If you want to change the current session, open the toolbar, click the display icon, and toggle full screen on or off from the view mode menu. If this tutorial helped you figure out how to exit full screen in AnyDesk, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.